28th of April on a Thursday. Time now is 3:30 p.m. Singapore time. My name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Alright, so let's start off with the euro against the US dollar. So in the day chart itself, we've seen that the price has gained for 4 consecutive days, which has brought it to the key resistance level at the price of 1.1337. And we can see that there's actually a probable falling trend that's forming right here. But if you look at the market right now, it seems that the price is beginning to break above the trend line. So let's zoom in the smaller time frame in the 1 hourly chart. Alright, you can see that there's a probable falling trend channel. Price has been resisted, came down, but right now it has broke above the resistance level of 1.1337. At the same time, above the trend line itself. So if this candlestick that we are seeing right here in the 1 hourly chart closes above, we may want to look for buy opportunity instead. Alright, but however, if it's able to close below the trend line, then we may want to look for the sell. Alright, if we go to we are going to go for the sell, the key or rather the major support that we're looking at will be at the price of 1.1213. Just take note of that. So that's for euro against the US dollar. Next, let's move on to the dollar against the Japanese yen. Day chart itself, alright, we've seen that the price has tumbled as the Bank of Japan disappointed the market with no additional stimulus and is closing up to previous low at the major support level of 107.89. So in the H1 chart, alright, just now we are seeing that as the price tumbled, the price is seen supported at 108.89, and right now we have seen that the price is broke below. Is about to reach the major support at 107.89. So that's where we can actually look for the an opportunity to go for the buy. So that is very straightforward for the dollar against Japanese yen. Moving on would be the Aussie against US dollar. So in the weekly chart, aside from reaching the top of the previously broken the bottom of the falling trend channel, right, as you can see right here in the weekly charts, there is also a falling trend channel, a minor one, and the price is also about to reach the top of the channel itself. At the same time, coincides together with a major resistance that is seen in the monthly charts right here. Alright, so this is the range in the past, and right now the same thing is pretty much happening right here. Price is about to reach a key resistance level. So into the 4 hourly chart itself, we have seen that there is a rising trend channel. Price has broke above it, came all the way down back to the bottom of the rising trend channel once again, got supported, and it begins to appreciate. So the key level, if you are having a buy right here, please take note of price at 0.7702. That's one of the key resistance. And if you're looking to go for a buy, you may want to go in the smaller time frame, the 1 hourly chart, the 15-minute charts. Ideally, I'll be waiting for the price to retrace to 0.7610 for the much better entry price. Or if not, we'll just observe further and decide on whether to buy or sell subsequently. So that's for the Aussie against US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Let's go to the day 1 chart. Alright, so in the day 1 chart, price is seen falling from the top of a major rising trend channel, and at the same time, from the top of a minor rising trend channel that's within the major rising trend channel itself. So we are mostly looking to go for a sell. But into the 4 hourly charts, we have seen that the price has gained. And right now it has broke above the one of the key resistance at 0.6947, which is also at the Fibonacci retracement level of 50%. So that may signal the price may appreciate further, but it is still testing the retracement level of 61.8% at price 0.96, so 0.69. So we can see what's going to happen here. If it got resisted, we can go into smaller time frames, 1 hourly charts or the 15-minute charts, to see if there's reversal signal to go for the sell, because we are looking for the price to fall further towards the bottom of the rising trend channel. So that is for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have pound against the US dollar. So day one chart itself, we have seen the price has gained and has reached a major resistance at 1.4600. Currently seen resisted with a magic candle yesterday. But what we are seeing right here is the price is attempting to break above 1.4600. So into the 4-hourly charts. Okay. Definitely we have seen that the price has finally begun to fall, but it pulls back all the way. That's during the FOMC statement. Right now it has came back to 1.4600, testing and attempting to break above. So it depends. If we see the price got resisted at the current level itself, then we can go to the smaller time frame, 1-hourly chart or the 15-minute charts, and again to see if there's reversal signal for us to go for the sell. And if that happens, we are expected to sell all the way to the major retracement level, the major support level, or rather the key support level at the price of 1.4393. Alright, and also do take note that the previous appreciation for the first wave and the second wave itself both has matched same volume, so that also signals for an exhaustion from any further appreciation. So that's for the pound against US dollar. Last but not least, we have the euro against the pound. So a quick recap in the weekly charts is that there's a major falling trend channel. Price has already began to fall from the top of the channel itself very steeply and into the 4-hourly charts. We are seeing that the price is about to reach a key support, or rather a major support at price of 0.7708. But before that, we are now seeing that the price has made a quick retracement. Magic candle is formed, and right now the price is beginning to fall. So this could be a good time to go for the sell. But if not, preferably I will be waiting for the price to retrace even further to the key resistance level at 0.7837. You can see that there's support right here, previous resistance as well. So this is a much stronger level to go for the sell instead. But of course, looking at the steepness of the depreciation, the chances of price falling right here is still pretty high. Alright, so that's for the euro against the pound, and with that I have come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.